Hello friends, it's a nice exponential problem where x is an integer. Let's solve for the x. So our question is x to the power 64 minus 4 to the power x equals 0. In the first step, we will move this 4 to the power x to right hand side. So it will be x to the power 64 is equal to 4 to the power x. Now we will raise 1 over 64x as an exponent both the sides. So it will be x to the power 64 whole to the power 1 over 64x is equal to 4 to the power x whole to the power 1 over 64x. Now this 2 and this 2 can multiply. So this and this will eliminate each other. Now we have x to the power 1 over x is equal to 4 to the power 1 over 64. Numbers and variables are separated. Now, on right hand side, we will place 4 over 4 in the exponent. The value remains same because 4 over 4 equals 1, right? So it will be 64 times 4 is 256. Now we have x to the power 1 over x is equal to 4 to the power. This 4 can be in the bracket with the base. So we have 1 over 256 here. 4 to the power 4 is 256. Whole to the power 256. Both the sides, it's the same position of x and 256. So we can equate x is equal to 256. The principal equation can have multiple real values for x, but we need the integer only. So x is equal to 256 is the answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.